McCubbin takes the snap. Rolling to the left-hand side, trying to outrun the Panthers. Good run, dragged down from behind by a one-handed tackle. Looks like he's at the 1 yard line. Looks like the first down, but can't tell from this angle. McCubbin takes the snap and he handles it himself for a touchdown. Third and 10. Back to the pass. Nice pass there. Option pass back to Dylan McCubbin. He stays in bounds and grabs another 3 or 4 yards. It was a good fight over there, Dylan. Westfield comes up to the line. Quick handoff up the middle. A.J. Halton, he's fighting like crazy in the center there. He A-trained. A.J. picked up the first down. Pitch to the top of the eye, Nolan Hunt. Around the end. Outran a few of those Panama Panthers, but couldn't outrun number 23. They'll probably be out of luck because it's a dry town. Dylan McCubbin around here on the right-hand side. Bouncing around. Making some tacklers miss. Looks like he's going to go. "44 yards on the carry for Dylan McCubbin. 44 yards. He ran about 85 yards, but he picked up 44. McCubbin back to pass. Got him open. Gets it. Nice pass. Completed. Down to the 14.